guys, and welcome to part 2 of my crafty haul from Temu. So I've got these pins, remember I was telling you about? So there's some black, and I just bought variety. I just got two different packs. This one I don't know for what reason was in its own. And then here's the black. Any more black? Nope. Okay, and then I got these. These are like those tie clips or hat pins, and I thought these would be cool. I'm going to put some of these on a different project. So there are these with the different colors. I thought these were so cool. Different. I mean, they're pearl and bling. Oh, look at that one. Not these in particular, but look. See, these were all different. There's a little apple. There's just a regular bling. Regular bling. Pearl. A flower. Back it off a little. Flower. Another flower. Another one like that. That was all of those. I should be separating them as they speak, but I think I will. Okay, so those are the ones that just pin on. And the rest of these were like the safety pins, but I thought I saw one with a hanging. I did. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Is that not cool for a journal? And I might put more on there. I have stuff to do it. Oh my goodness, doesn't that make you want to just go nuts building stuff? So there's that one. Okay. And then I showed you the black ones. Here's the red ones that all match. And then there's the big one. Same thing. Here's a pink and a pearl. So cute. A blue and a pearl. A purple and a pearl. And a yellow and a pearl. Easter! Heck yeah, Easter! And then here's this beautiful green for my green journal. And then there were these. There were a lot of these. Okay, so there's this pen. I've had these before. These were really cool. See? And if you want to hang charms off this side, you can. So then there's these. Just like that. And these you can put through your pants to take them up a little bit. Right? Or you could put them on the, like if your pants are too short, you could pick them up and pin them on. I'm going to use them in journals. Oh, there was another one of those. And another one of those. And then we got a lot of this little bling that must have fallen off of some of those charms. They're like little diamonds. Alright, then we got these. This one. Look at this. There's another one of those little pins. Look at this. Aren't these so cool, guys? I love them. And the price was great. So I don't know. I didn't bother to count, but I know I got tons of them. And a lot of them match up. Okay, there's those. There's my pins. And then I got these, and I'm hoping I can make little tassels with these. Like put my ring through here because they spin. And then make a hole and attach it to the journal here. That was my hope. So we're going to find out. We're going to find out. So I got those in the gold and silvery. And then I got these for my grungy journals. Right? I'm going to do some grungy journals. And I think what I want to do is have a cardboard cover like this. And let's get one out of here. like this, and then this. So this goes over just like that, and it holds it closed. Okay, so I think I want to do them this way and put them on a journal, so the journal opens and closes that way, or maybe on the side of the journal. You know, if it's a thick journal, put them on the side. Like, I'll show you. I thought those were cool. I got a package of those. And then, yes, like I needed more stickers, but these were really cool. They're all so cool. Look. These are the vintage ladies. Aren't they cool? Look at her reading the book. So I got a carton, a mess of those, as my grandmother used to say. Woo! Boy, are they slippery, guys. Be careful. There's another reading lady. Pretty lady. So it's just a variety of vintage women. And I thought, why not put these to good use on some tags, right? Look at that beautiful dress. Look at that. Very pretty. So that's what we're doing with these. And I'm going to start putting together some journals. I guess I think I'm anticipating my retirement, which is right around the corner, guys. Yay! Right around the corner. Right around the corner. I could conceivably retire next year, but it's going to be a little further out than that. But anyhow, that was part B of my Temu haul. And then this was a freebie, obviously, because when you order them, they're like 3 times. And when you pay for a real roll, they're like 3 times the size. This is like samples, but that's okay because these will just be journal closures and they will match up with our stickers and our ladies. So there we go, guys. I appreciate you coming along. I know it was like a quick next to nothing video, but I'll have another video out next Tuesday, or tomorrow, actually. Tomorrow. Today's Monday. Right, so tomorrow, regular video. Bye, guys.
Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed today's video, please share my channel with your crafty friends. It helps me to grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.